Hello guys, nanonood kayo ng The News Listener. Ako po si Angelo. At pag-usapan natin tong survey galing sa Okta Research at nakuha natin tong balita sa GMA News. 7 out of 10 Filipinos support a Senate impeachment trial versus VP Sara Duterte. Okay, so na-research yan ng Okta nitong Abril. Okay, so pag-uusapan natin yan. So let's take a look on the right side. Ayon dito, the percentage of Filipinos who believe Vice President Sara Duterte should face a Senate impeachment trial increased from 69%. So last March, 69 siya. At pumalo siya 74% in April. According yan sa research ng Okta Research, they released the information on Monday. Okay, so today is uh, the second, okay, ng June. So let's take a look also sa link ng GMA News. But bago tayo pumunta dyan, guys, kung titignan nyo, mula nung last year na na-impeach itong si Sara Duterte, ni isang sagot doon sa mga aligasyon niya, wala po siyang valid na sagot. Meron ba kayong na narinig, ah, na balita man lang kung ano yung mga sagot niya doon sa mga paratang about confidential funds, assassinating the president, yung pamilya niya, yung misuse ng mga funds doon not only sa Office of the Vice President at doon din sa Department of Education. So, that means clearly yung mga tao na survey ng Okta Research, nakikita nila na hanggang ngayon, mula nung na-impeach siya ng House of Representatives at dininay ng, by the way, dininay ng majority ni Chis Escudero ng Senate, hanggang ngayon wala pa rin siyang valid na sagot. Okay? At uh, until now, May or June rather, wala din tayong makuwang klarong sagot galing sa kanyang opisina. So, let's take a look inside sa link ng GMA. So, ito yung papakita ko sa inyo. Yan. So, ayon dito, 7 out of 10 support the Senate impeachment trial against Sara Duterte. So, so it says here the percentage of Filipinos uh, believe Vice President Sara should face the Senate trial increased from 69 in March to 74% in April, according sa kanilang research. Based on the latest tugon ng MASA o TNM survey conducted April 20 to 24 o apat na araw, 74% ang respondents said that Duterte should face trial. Okay, so grabe yung pag-increase. While 21% yung nag-disagree at 4% lang yung undecided. So ayon dito sa table nila, yan kita-kita nyo yung breakdown ng area at socio-economic class. So punta tayo sa yes. So 74% yung yes, 81% doon galing sa Maynila or sa NCR, balance Luzon 77, 82 Visayas, at Mindanao is 58%. So this is interesting kasi 58% Mindanao na gusto ding malaman kung ano nangyari doon sa confidential funds at sa mga other allegations laban kay Sara Duterte. That means, meron din mga taga Mindanao o taga Visayas kasi kine-claim ng mga DDS ng mga Duterte na balwarte yan ng ano ng Duterte. Weh, hindi. Halos halos yung boto ay kay Leni Robredo nung last 2022 election eh. So, that means may mga taong gustong malaman at anong hatol nila, hatol ng Senado pagdating sa alegasyon laban kay Sara Duterte. Now, how about the no? 21%. 16 sa NCR, 14, Balance Luzon, Visayas 18, malaki sa Mindanao 41%. Okay, at sa don't know 4%, yan yung breakdown and all that. Napunta tayo sa social economic class. So ang ABC 70%, napakalaki. Na yes. Sa D 75 at sa letter E, class E 73%. Ito yung sabihin na lang natin na uh, among the poorest na gusto din malaman kung bakit hindi kung bakit yun ang mga paratang kay Sara Duterte at sana gusto rin malaman nila yung anong tugon ng kampo ni Sara Duterte. Okay? Now, how about yung nag-no? Napakaliit lang, 20% sa ABC classes, 21 sa D, at 22% sa Class E. Okay? So, yan ang figure ng uh, Okta Research. Okay? At let's see, punta tayo sa baba, guys. So latest figure marked 5% point increase from 69%. So nag-increase ng 5% mula nung March until April. So that means uh, palaki ng palaki yung difference, nag-i-increase siya kasi nga uh, ayaw sagutin yung impeachment o yung mga allegations laban sa kanila, 'di ba? And that is the reason why na merong chance pa rin na gustong merong chance na mas lalaki pa 'to hanggang hindi masagot ng kampo ni Sara Duterte o hindi sila humarap doon sa impeachment trial. Okay? Now, GMA has sought comment of Duterte's team spokesperson but he has not responded as of posting time. So wala silang responde. When it comes to Okta Research survey doon sa napakalaking porsyento ng kailangan ng mga Pilipinong gustong matuloy ang trial. Alright? Now, how about yung regions? Punta tayo sa baba. So, support for Senate trial remained a majority level across all major regions of the country. In the highest percent is in Visayas. Oh, okay, 82%. While yung sa NCR, 82, Balance Luzon is about 77. So Mindanao has the lowest support. Also, area logged the highest opposition rate, which is 41%. So, yung Okta Research din described daw yung Mindanao as divergent as the most analytically significant region finding, noting that the area has historically been considered as political stronghold of the Duterte family. So the national figure of 70% conveys broad public backing, but it obscured a pronounced regional fault line. Among the social economic classes support, impeachment trial was consistent. Okay, so consistent daw yung sa economic classes. Okay? At this, it says here, non-commissioned poll. So Okta noted that the survey measure to support the constitutional process of impeachment and should not be interpreted as a judgment on Duterte's guilt, possible conviction, or removal. So the survey question measures the public support for the Senate impeachment trial as a constitutional mechanism to address allegation and ensure due process. Ayon sa Okta Research. At sabi dito, non-commissioned survey was conducted through face-to-face. Okay, harap-harapan, involving 1,200 adults, Filipino age 18 and above. Okay, yung margin of error nila, 3%. At 95 confidence level. Okay. So far, yan ang ayon sa Okta Research. So, anong sagot ng company Sara Duterte doon sa impeachment kasi sinabihan ng Senado na mag-respond kayo. June 1st yung deadline. Ang tugon nila, they just want to dismiss. Ito ayon sa Enquirer, nagdala silang ng maletang laman ay mga documents at they want to dismiss yung impeachment complaint. kay Sara Duterte without knowing what's inside or what's in o kumbaga anong mga paratang sa kanya at, 'yun hindi natin babasahin 'yan kasi definitely, ah, matagal 'yang basahin, okay? But ayon dito, "We want the articles of impeachment to be dismissed altogether, but whatever happens, we are prepared to mount a defense." So they want to dismiss, but kung hindi sila papayagan, kumbaga ang gusto nila, ah, ang mangyayari is ide-defend pa rin nila yung kanilang amo, okay? So we'll see, guys. That means there's still a growing chance that the Filipinos wants to know yung mga ano nangyari sa pera ng bayan, bakit ano bang hatol nila doon sa assassination plot ni Inday Lustay kay Bongbong Marcos. So the numbers are increasing. That means there's still a traction that the people wants to know and they want to continue the impeachment trial against Sara Duterte. So, on that note, salamat po. Guys, kung meron po kayong komento o suggestions sa ating video, paki-comment po sa comment section. If nagustuhan niyo po ito, please hit the like and subscribe button. Salamat and see you sa susunod na video.